About Think, Check, Submit. Think, Check, Submit is an international initiative designed to help researchers identify trusted journals and publishers for their work. It provides practical tools, checklists, and guidance to support informed publishing decisions. The initiative brings together stakeholders from across the scholarly communication community to promote research integrity, transparency, and trust in academic publishing. It was developed in response to the growing concern over deceptive and predatory publishing practices. Why it is important. Publishing research is essential for academic growth and the advancement of knowledge. However, with the rapid increase in the number of journals and publishers, it has become challenging for researchers to distinguish between legitimate and predatory outlets. Not all researchers receive adequate training in selecting trustworthy journals. Think, Check, Submit addresses this issue by offering a simple and practical checklist that helps researchers evaluate whether a journal or publisher is credible before submitting their work. How the checklist helps. The core of Think, Check, Submit is its easy-to-use checklist, which guides researchers through key questions. It encourages them to think carefully, check thoroughly, and submit confidently. The checklist covers important aspects such as the publisher's reputation, peer review process, transparency in fees, indexing, archiving, and ethical standards. By answering these questions, researchers can make informed decisions and avoid predatory publishers. For books and chapters. When evaluating a publisher for books or chapters, researchers are encouraged to check whether the publisher is well-known, transparent, and easy to contact. It is important to verify the editorial board's credibility, peer review process, and availability of publication formats. Researchers should also look for clear information about fees, licensing policies, copyright terms, and long-term archiving. Additional indicators of trust include membership in recognized organizations, such as COPE, and inclusion in platforms like the Directory of Open Access Books, DOAB. For journals. For journal selection, Think, Check, Submit provides a detailed checklist to assess credibility. Researchers should verify whether the journal is recognized in their field, has a clear peer review process, and does not guarantee quick acceptance. It is also important to check indexing in trusted databases like the Directory of Open Access Journals, transparency in publication fees, and availability of author guidelines. Other important factors include long-term archiving, use of digital identifiers, and adherence to ethical publishing standards, such as those set by COPE. Final step, submit. After completing the checklist, researchers should only submit their work if they can confidently answer yes to most of the questions. This ensures that their research is published in a credible and trustworthy outlet, protecting both their work and their academic reputation. Conclusion. Think, Check, Submit empowers researchers to make informed publishing decisions by providing a reliable framework to evaluate journals and publishers. By promoting awareness and best practices, it plays a crucial role in maintaining the quality and integrity of global research.